Guys, it's Nacho Dad. I'm going to show you how I built my cheap fuel filler for the cheap flatbed. The $200 flatbed on the $500 Chevrolet. And I didn't want to buy one because they were like 50 bucks. And let's look through the hole. As you can see, my fuel filler is right here. So I don't have a lot of fall to it. So I don't have room to mount a box underneath like most of them have. So I needed something that went through the bed. And I was looking at some marine fillers and everything else, and I was like, you know, I'm gonna just make one. So this is all 1.5 inch galvanized pipe. This is so how I did this is it's a 45 with a 2-inch nipple on it that just sticks through a 1.5 inch floor flange, and I ground all the threads out of the flange so the pipe would go through, and then I welded it on the back, and it looks like shit, but it works. Then from that 45 I go to a 3-inch nipple, to another 45, to a 2-inch nipple, and this is actually where the gas hose that goes to the tank is going to go. So this will sit inside the bed and drop it down, and then it's all fit. So we can slide it in, give it the old 180, and that's where it's going to sit. And then we can hook our hose up to it. So I'm going to hook the hose up and we'll come back. Alright, so I'm back under the truck. I just slid the hose on that 2.5 inch nipple that was sticking off the bottom. I'm going to try to tighten this hose clamp with one hand. It's not going to work. Alright, so there's the hose on, clamped on good. It's good. Goes in, no kinks. So now, that looks pretty good. Got the good stuff, stainless fasteners. So I'm going to fasten these in real quick and I'll come back and show it to you. Alright, that's it. That's my fuel filler from a flatbed. I'm probably going to get a poly cap for it just because the metal one's kind of a pain. Alright, next part of this video I'm going to go get gas and make sure it works. We're at the gas station. I'm just going to throw a few dollars in it because I actually just about filled this thing up last night. Get some old Shell Regular. Alright, looks like we're having some pendulation issues. So I have to hold it. That's not good. But for version 1, I think it works alright. We're only putting $10 in it. I can go wide open if I hold it. So it works, but not the best. We'll keep going.